I've been seeing these viral glasses everywhere, which has the bow on them. These are $7.99 US, by the way. I was in the US when I saw this. And they even have it in this color, which is very pretty. But I'm going to show you how to do this. Super simple. So I bought these mini bows, which normally are used for the nails. They're so adorable and they come in different colors. The link of these will be available in the description box of this video. I bought these glasses at the dollar store, so it was very inexpensive. And then using some glue, E7000, and a little toothpick, I'm placing a little dot on the glass and I'm gluing each little bow to it. Just be very careful with this glue because this glue, it's like it glues there, so just be very careful. That's why I use a toothpick so that I don't have the glue on my fingers. So I'm gluing all my little bows all the way around, just like I'm doing right now. And this is it. And I let it dry for at least 24 hours. And look how beautiful these are. Same look, inexpensive. And I was able to do 2, but I could have done 3 beautiful glasses. Hope you guys enjoyed.